जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए और अगर सरकार उनको करेगी फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए क्या? सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है क्या? सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती?
Hello student, today we are discussing with another important point of law, which is whether the judges can also do wrong. If they do the wrong, what kind of legal mechanism is available in India? So recently we have heard about a particular judge in Delhi High Court who was alleged to have been involved in the cash amount of certain amount which was stored in his house, in his premises. Now the question is, if any judge is alleged to have committed any offense which is covered under any penal law, how we are going to deal with them? Are we going to treat them equally as the ordinary citizen is to be covered, or we have some different mechanism? So we know that recently in the Supreme Court, the petitioner who has moved to the Supreme Court against Justice Yashwant Verma and requesting to initiate the prosecution by the state machinery or to lodge an FIR and also to restrict that transfer order in the Allahabad High Court. The Supreme Court has refused to take this plea in urgent way and held that recently we have appointed a legal committee, an in-house inquiry committee, having 3 judges of respective certain high courts who are chief justice of certain high courts. They are going to make inquiry about the allegation of the particular judge. So once the inquiry has been completed, then the Supreme Court will take further initiatives about the prosecution of this case. It's mean that we have the legal provision, the similar provision under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita also, that wherever any acting judge is alleged to have committed any offense during his tenure, we need to take the prior consultation of appointing authority or the competent authority. So there is Chief Justice of India, he is to be taken prior consultation on this context. Now we have this provision that after that, once this inquiry has been finalized, the legal provisions are to be invoked relating to the state machinery to take place into action. So in this scenario, we need to see and we need to observe what will happen and how the Supreme Court is going to deal with this matter, and what will be the process which is going to be followed to make prosecution or to make initiation of proceeding in this particular case. So we need to be aware on this. This is all. Thanks for watching this.
Subscribe for more content.